Hello friends, look at this colorful butterfly. Let's make it. First cut the butterfly body, red colorful paint, and look, it is ready. You can make more colorful butterflies like this and it's looking so pretty. Let's make these colorful butterflies. We are making the wings by folding this yellow and green craft paper together. We are making the body on these ice cream sticks. Color it and paste all of them together using hot glue gun and it's ready. Let's make these 3D porcupines. So draw the body on the cardboard and spread this orange clay on the top of it. After this we are pasting these porcupine quills on it and look, it is ready. You can also cut it and it's done. Here we are going to make a cute little bunny using thermocol. So cut two balls and paste both of them together. Now cut its ears using craft paper. Paste all of them, paste its eyes and look how cute these are looking. Roll a yellow clay and bend it like this. We're going to make a cute little duck. Give it shape, paste its googly eyes and look, it is ready. We're going to paste all these colorful strip of papers using double-sided tape on this black circle. We are making a colorful peacock here and look how pretty these feathers are looking. Add more details like flowers and it's done.